Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to fix Minecraft realms not working. If your Minecraft realms are not working properly, it might be due to outdated system updates or graphics drivers. Updating these can often fix the issue and improve game performance. Here is how you can resolve the problem. To start, open the Start menu on your PC and go to Settings. In the Settings window, select Windows Update from the left-hand panel. Check for updates to search for any available system updates. This process may automatically fix minor problems. If the issue persists, open the Start menu again. Type Device Manager in the search bar and select it from the results. In the Device Manager window, expand the Display Adapters section. Right-click on AMD Radeon 7 M360 and choose Update Driver. Make sure the latest driver version is installed. Afterward, restart your PC to complete the process. To restart, open the search bar on your taskbar, click the power button, and choose Restart. Once your computer restarts, it should resolve the issue with Minecraft realms not working. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.